The first step of making the chicken vada pav is giving the chicken the tadka, and for that I'm gonna take a kadai. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm gonna add some green chillies. And I'm gonna add some chopped garlic. To this, I'm gonna add some cumin seeds and some mustard seeds and some chopped coriander. I'm going to add some salt and some turmeric powder. This is about 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So the tadka for the chicken vada pav is ready. I'm going to switch off the gas flame. So I have some minced chicken here and I'm going to add the tadka to it. And I'm going to mix all of this nicely so that it combines well with the chicken. So the chicken filling is ready, and now we'll start making the besan batter. So I've added 4 tablespoons of besan. To this I'm going to add some salt, and I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. I am now going to add some water. So water you have to add as required so that I get a nice flowing batter. It shouldn't be too thin or too thick, so it should be of the right consistency. I'm just going to add some more water. So this has become a little thick and I'm going to add some more water. So you have to adjust the water requirement accordingly. So this is the right consistency of the batter, and now we'll start making the chicken vada pavs. The next step is frying the chicken. So I'm gonna heat some oil in a pan. This is again as required, as much as you need for frying the vada pav. So I'm just gonna let the oil heat up. So let me show you what you have to do next. I have the chicken here. I'm just gonna take a part of the chicken, roll it into a ball, just like you do it for the normal vada pav, and then I'm gonna dip it in the batter. And now I'm gonna fry it in hot oil. So while frying, you have to ensure that the oil is very hot. I'm gonna fry this until they become golden brown. You also have to flip it occasionally so that it fries well from both sides. So the vadas are ready. You have to make sure that you do not make them extremely golden brown. This is the right color, and this is how it should be. So I'm going to take them out in a tissue paper now, and I'm going to fry my next batch. So my chicken vada pav is ready. This is how it looks. It looks absolutely great, and I cannot wait to dig in. I've served it with some chutney, green chilies, and some green chutney that I have here.